Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. With just over 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including power front seats, front and rear air conditioning, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and cruise control. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.